In Quick Search 7, we found the pKa for phenol. Now let's find the pKa for a group of substances, okay? So let's go pKa and let's do it for the phenols, okay? And if I do a quick search, the algorithms are going to work. And it's going to take a little bit more time because we're looking for more substances, and we've come up with 5,000 substances this time. And let's see how they set up the structure search. And what's happened now is they put this GH group in here, which is any group including hydrogen. And I can click in here and edit my structure. Incidentally, that's under Reaxys group generics. And these are different varieties of groups that we can be using. And let's say I want to define this one to have to be a hydrogen, okay? And when I did this query, if we remember right, we had 3,022 substances is what we're coming up with, because I just reduced this to OH. Now, if let's say instead that I would like the OH group here in any atom with enough hydrogens attached here instead of groups. So I could come over here and I could highlight these. And now what I'm saying is I want one group, but I don't care where it is as long as it's not at the OH group position, okay? So what I need to do now is I need to highlight all the atoms that I might, so I might maybe this position, this position, this position, this position. And then I'm going to apply a group variation bond. And now if I just want one type of atom, okay, I can click this to an A. Okay, these are my atom table over here. Transfer to query. And I'm getting the pKa's. This is combining a structure with a property search. And I'm coming up with 28, okay, and notice that these are all single atoms. We're having enough hydrogens to fill the valence, okay? But what if I wanted groups there instead of atoms, okay? So now I could come back into here, and I could go into the group generics, okay, and I'm going to include hydrogen as one of my options, so we will get phenol as an option. Change this to GH, transfer to query. Now I do my search structures. Okay, and I'm getting 1,000 structures. So what this is showing us is I can use quick search to come up with initial structures to work with, but then I can go into Query Builder and further refine things. And that with Reaxys, I can find properties also for groups of chemical compounds, not just individual chemicals. Thank you, and I hope this has been helpful.